This little box is very, very heavy. That's much heavier than what I am used to. Holy moly. Whoa. Jaden.
Wow.
These are shells. Bad board. iPhone 6 bad board. Black IC and will not pass Apple logo. Okay. Space gray in here. So we've got space grays and we have golds. I'm going to go ahead and start with the golds. Let me see. Okay, so I'm going to place the space grays here. Let's count them first. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 space grays and 3 golds. I'm going to pull out one of the golds. Now we purchased these for parts, and the part that we're purchasing them for is the shell. So here, let's try and keep some of that there. Here is the IMEI on this shell. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that we clean the outside of the shell to make sure there isn't anything sticky or any residue stuck to the back, because we are going to test the shells in this video. And also to ensure that there's nothing on the flat glass surface, I'm going to give it a good wipe down as well. So I'm going to take this shell, and it does have a little sticky residue on there. I want to make sure that this test is done as accurately as possible. So we'll wipe down the shell. And now there's nothing on the shell, nothing on the flat glass surface here. I'm hanging the camera off of the edge. I'm going to make sure everything's in focus. And where can I put these so that they are still? This right here, that's good. Okay, so now we're looking at this device here. And this shell is clearly bent. When I try to slide the tempered glass, it just taps. I can slide it under, but you can see it's touching the back of the shell. Once again, the camera is hanging off of the edge. When I'm pressing down, I'm even pressing on the inside of the shell. The device lifts up, and then I can slide the tempered glass easily without touching the bottom of the shell. And you see how far it goes in. So this shell is bent. I'm going to go ahead and once again bring this into focus so we can see the IMEI number of the shell. Here we go. I'm going to read the IMEI number off the shell. 3544100651966738. So I'm going to place this device on the side there. And we're going to move on to another gold. Here we have another gold. I'm going to show the back of the shell, and once again into focus. This camera is being difficult. There we go. I'm going to read this one. 35690052133249. Once again, I'm going to clean the back of the shell to make sure that there isn't any residue or anything sticky. I'm just using a barely damp cloth. It's just damp enough to rub off any kind of residue. So now there's nothing on the back of the shell, nothing on the flat glass surface. Again, hanging the camera off the edge. And this one is also going to hang it off this way. When I'm pressing on this side is lifting up. This is where the camera is.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
So when I'm pressing here where the camera is, again, this part is lifting up and this is sliding underneath. So the shell is also bent. I'm going to show the IMEI one more time and place it with the other. Okay, this one is going to go right here with the other one. And we're going to go ahead and grab the third gold. Okay, there's the IMEI number on this one. I'll read the IMEI number. 35578907232937. Same as before. Just going to go ahead and give this a wipe down. And this one doesn't really appear to have much other than some discoloration. Nothing sticky on there. There's nothing on the back of the shell. Nothing on the flat glass surface, hanging the camera off the edge. Everything feels fine that way. I'm going to go ahead and place the device on its face. Okay, so this device does not appear to have a bend. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the rest. And here is the IMEI number once again. This device is going to go back into the box. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and take the gold ones and place them back in the bag. And this is also going to go back in the box. Now we're going to start